When it's come to car batteries, do not compromise on compatibility.
It's simple. The battery has to match 4 things: size, wattage, CCA, and RC. If it doesn't, you might face slow start, electrical problem, or complete failure to start. Not to mention, loose or unsafe connection could be a real safety hazard.
Basically, there are 3 types of car battery.
Maintenance-free battery are perfect for no fast driver. It resists to heat, corrosion, and most importantly, no need to top up water.
Cworks has a variety of maintenance-free models. Just install and forget about it. Great for modern vehicles. EFB is enhanced flooded battery.
EFB battery are for cars with start-stop system. They handle constant stop and start, giving you better charge acceptance and longer durability.
Built to handle all the stop and go action, Cworks offer EFB model you wish to have. AGM is absorbent glass matte battery.
This is AGM battery and is commonly used on continental cars, brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volvo, etc.
Cworks has a selection of AGM models designed to power all your car's tech. Built for cars with lots of electronics, AGM is the way to go.
Think your battery just start the engine? Think again. Your car battery also powers headlight and tail lights, central locking systems, power windows, dashboard electronics, infotainment and GPS, safety system like ABS and airbags. The more features your car has, the more powerful your battery needs to be. Cworks offers AGM and EFB battery that built for today's tech-loaded vehicles. Don't risk a power drop, upgrade to a battery that can handle it all. Sure, budget battery may save you today, but what about tomorrow? Cheap batteries often give you shorter lifespan, unstable performance, risk of leakage and failure. And when it fails early, you pay double in times, stress, and replacement costs. Cworks batteries are competitively priced and engineered for lasting value. Don't gamble on cheap. Buy smart, buy Cworks. When it comes to your car battery, safety first. Don't touch both terminals at once. Don't smoke or spark near a battery. Don't install a battery that's too small for your car. Even maintenance-free battery can leak if mishandled. When in doubt, trust a pro. Consult our dealers today for professional advice and support. What does OE equivalent mean? It means it matches the OE standard, just like the battery your car came with. Cworks batteries deliver proper fit, exact voltage and specs, safety and reliability. That's why mechanics and service center trust Cworks for cars out of warranty. Cworks offers OE equivalent quality you can afford.